Do you value your time? If you do, you need to see this. After reading tons and tons of productivity books, I came across so many rules. The 2-year rule, the 5-year rule, the 5-minute rule. But it's just too confusing and overwhelming to apply all these things. Here's something simple that I found, which was very useful and helped me cut down on my procrastination and get things done. Plus, it kind of changed the way I do everything now. I'm going to share 2 ways in which you can apply it right away. Number 1, if a task just takes 2 minutes to do, just get it done right now. This is a tip from David Allen's best-selling book called Get Things Done. For example, if I need to clear my desk or make my bed today, it takes 2 minutes to do. So I'm thinking about it right now, might as well do it. Instead of writing it down and then having it on a to-do list and probably forgetting about it or having to come back to it later, that definitely takes more than 2 minutes. Number 2, when you're trying to do something you don't really want to do, all you have to do is simplify the task to 2 minutes or less. This is a tip from James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits. For example, I wanted to make it a habit to read for an hour every single day. So I tried this trick. I used to sit down with my book, read for 2 minutes, and then I put it down and did something else. It seems pointless at first, but doing it every day meant I was able to stick to it. I was actually mastering the habit of doing it consistently